If you're picking up a brand new pair of safety boots, it is important to know exactly what you are getting. If you have a look at any of these boots over at its.co.uk, you're going to see that these have different safety ratings, and it is important to know exactly why they have those safety ratings. What sets these boots apart? All 5 pairs are really, really impressive. We're going to take a look at each one and see what makes them different. Starting off with these Stanley Hartford boots. As you can see here, black and yellow, so you know that these are going to be good. If you hated that joke, Reese came up with that. Look at him laughing at his own joke. Reese is here on work experience for this 1 week, and that is the best input we've had from him all week. Anyway, these boots are SB rated, which means safety basic rating. Essentially what this means is the only certified technology in here are the toe caps on the end here, rated up to 200 joules of impact resistant. If you're someone starting out in the trade, these are going to be a nice and reliable pair of boots to start with. If you only need that basic protection, then this is a perfect way to go. These are the Stanley Hartfords. These are the Vaunt Dublin safety boots, just like me at the casino last Friday, because I was doubling my money. But no, seriously, these are really, really impressive safety boots. They are S1PFO-SRC safety rated. Now, taking a look here, you've got this nice steel toe caps, and you've got penetrative resistant soles, midsoles on this, resistant up to 200 joules of impact energy. The SRC in the rating means that they are slip resistant. These are really nice and cushioned, perfect for wearing all day long. They have got energy absorption in those soles as well, which essentially is a way of the shoe redistributing the energy from walking. So rather than that causing strain on your feet, and you know, you're starting to get aches or anything like that, the shoe is just going to redistribute that into the power of your walking. Really, really nice technology in the Vaunt Dublins. Now, these are the Vaunt Lisbon boots. Have you noticed a bit of a theme going with these different pairs of Vaunt boots, all named after cities? Anyway, these are the Lisbon boots, the safety rating of S1PSFOSR. And let's, kind of break down what that means. The S1 is a step up from the earlier mentioned SB rating. So not only are you getting the 200 joules of impact energy, but you are also getting anti-static as well as oil resistance. And that is also what the FO means as well, because you've got the oil resistant upper as well as the sole on here. The PS means that this is puncture resistant as well. So if you're working, in an area where you've got sharp objects on the floor, say there is a screw or a nail sticking up, you don't have to worry about it, going through your foot, because this boot is designed specifically to, kind of counter that and keep your tootsies nice and safe. These are the Vaunt Lisbons, really impressive. Let's look at the Vaunt Athens boots. These are S3FOSR rated. So you've got that nice 200 joules once again. I've said that a lot in this video, 200 joules of impact energy resistance in the toe caps there. Alongside from that, you've got the slip resistance. You've got the oil resistance as well as the penetration resistant midsoles on these. It's worth pointing out that what sets these apart as well from the other boots we've looked at is the difference in material. You've got this fabric here rather than those, the leather materials from before, which makes these just a little bit more breathable, especially when you're working on the job, you're working up a sweat. This fabric on the Vaunt Athens is designed specifically for that. Once again, Vaunt have gone for the comfort as well. You've got that nice cushioned upper on here as well, and a cushioned antibacterial inner sole as well. Once again, it's just going to keep you light on your feet. You've got that energy absorption in there, so when you are walking, your feet aren't getting tired. And I'm not going to lie, we've been filming this video for a while. My feet are tired. Maybe I should be wearing a pair of Vaunt Athens. Now we're looking at more of our premium safety boots. These are the Timberland Pro Iconic Alloy safety boots. Really, really impressive pair here with a safety rating of an S3WRHROSRC. So the S3 means that not only do you have that 200 joules of impact energy protection in the toe caps, these are anti-static, they are oil resistant, they are also water resistant, and you've got that penetration resistance in the midsole as well. But it's also worth noting that in this, you've got the code with the HRO, which means it is a heat resistant outer on here as well. So when you're working in those hotter environments and you need to keep your feet safe from essentially burning, then these are going to be able to get the job done there as well. So yeah, these are more of your premium safety boots, but it's just worth noticing, you know, looking out for those codes, keeping an eye on what absolutely everything means. So there we have it, 5 different pairs of safety boots. We've had a look at the different safety ratings and seen what sets them apart. You can find all of these out now at its.co.uk. It's worth mentioning that this is just a taster as well of Vaunt's incredible range of safety boots. You can check that out in the Vaunt Superstore at its.co.uk.